Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix or how you can change location in your Roblox account. So let's go quick into the process. So you want to change your location in the Roblox account. Open your internet browser, so any browser that you have on your Windows. So I'm just going to open the Edge browser. Then type here in the search bar roblox.com. Hit enter. Now I have just logged into my Roblox account. So in your case, you have to log in into that Roblox account. Then click on the settings icon. Then here, click on settings. Now scroll down and you'll find here account location Philippines. So from here, if you want to change it from here, obviously you cannot do that. So simply click on this URL at the top. Then simply delete this, the one that I have, this one highlighted. Then backspace and type here support. Hit enter. Then you have here to type your first name, price, email address. We need to choose our email address. So let me just quickly type my email address. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Then what devices are you having problem on? Select PC. And you should look for here technical support. Then here you simply choose specific experience issue. Then you need to type here, hi, I want to change my location as I as I have already moved to the US. I want to change click on continue. Then click on start puzzle for the verification. So just simply follow the directions from here. Then you have to click on submit, and after that you will receive an email on the email that you have typed from here, and you have to wait for 1 day or like 2 days, and from that your location in Roblox will be changed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.